Hello. It's us in the hospital room. A couple days after little Sam's born, crying over there. Hey, hey little guy. Hey little guy. Probably getting a little hungry. There's Daddy. Hi. There's little Drew. Hi, Drew. He's been with Nana and Grandpa. He's been with Nana and Grandpa doing a good job, haven't you? Yes, haven't you? Yeah. What do you think about your little baby brother? Where's Sam? Where's Sam? That's my nightlight. That's a lot more fun than my little brother right now. He's sleeping. We didn't have a very good night, but he's a good kid. He's sleeping during the day at least. So that's a good sign. Yes. Say bye-bye. You say bye-bye?
Say goodbye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.